Hey, it's Ben, and I have this mobile phone cooler. This was sent to me by the company to make the video, and I'm being compensated for this. Let's take a close look and see how it works. So it does come with a power cable. It does need to be plugged in to be used. It is not battery powered. So it has a USB-C power adapter. So this can be plugged into any standard USB powering device. It's controlled by a single red button here, and it powers on to the top level. And you can see it has really cool colored lights that can be seen all the way around. So that's really awesome. L3 is the fastest, and that's medium, and that's low. The fan itself, even on the high, is not very loud at all. This attaches to the back of a phone or any other device, and this surface gets cold. Right now, it's just room temperature, so I'm gonna turn this on. Right away, it immediately starts cooling off and actually starts to feel cold. The way it attaches to the back of a device, right here, the surface is a magnet, so it will stick to your device directly if your device is metal and magnets attract to it. This device is not. So for that, you can either use this adhesive metal plate. If you don't want to use the adhesive plate, you can attach these clips that come with it. And then this can clip onto your device from the sides. And then as long as the fan is in contact with the device, that cooling surface will be drawing heat away from your phone. So this is great to use if you play games or use other apps on your device that generate a lot of heat on your phone. And this will keep it cool, keep it at a good operating temperature. One more feature is this does have a threaded hole, so this would fit standard tripod attachments, so you could use this to mount onto a tripod or some other similar device. It does not get in the way when you're holding your phone. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.